Welcome back, everyone. We've reached the end of our free digital marketing course. It's been an incredible journey, and we're excited to recap the key points from each lesson. Let's dive in. Introduction to digital marketing. We started with an introduction to digital marketing, covering its definition, the evolution of digital marketing, and its importance and benefits. Understanding how digital marketing has transformed over the years helps us appreciate its power and potential. Setting the foundation. Next, we set the foundation by defining your audience, setting SMART goals, and understanding the sales funnel. Knowing your audience and having clear, measurable goals is crucial for any marketing strategy. Website optimization. Then, we optimized our websites with principles of design, user experience, UX, search engine optimization, SEO, and conversion rate optimization, CRO. A well-optimized website is the cornerstone of your online presence. Content marketing. In content marketing, we explored content strategy, blogging, video marketing, podcasting, and social media content. Creating valuable, engaging content is key to attracting and retaining your audience. Search engine marketing, SEM. We delved into search engine marketing, SEM, covering pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, Google Ads, Bing Ads, keyword research, and ad copywriting. SEM helps you reach potential customers through targeted ads. Social media marketing, SMM. Our lesson on social media marketing, SMM, included platform selection and strategy, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn marketing, and influencer marketing. Each platform offers unique opportunities to connect with your audience. Email marketing. In email marketing, we discussed building an email list, crafting effective email campaigns, email automation, segmentation, personalization, and analyzing metrics. Email remains a powerful tool for direct communication. Mobile marketing. Mobile marketing covered mobile website optimization, mobile apps, SMS marketing, and location-based marketing. With the rise of mobile usage, optimizing for mobile is essential. Analytics and reporting. Analytics and reporting are crucial for measuring success. We looked at key performance indicators, KPIs, Google Analytics, social media analytics, email analytics, and conversion tracking. Data-driven decisions drive better results. E-commerce marketing. E-commerce marketing included e-commerce platforms, product listings and optimization, shopping ads, and cart abandonment strategies. These are vital for online sales success. Digital advertising trends. We explored the latest trends in digital advertising like native advertising, programmatic advertising, voice search optimization, and augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. Staying ahead of trends keeps your strategies fresh and effective. Legal and ethical considerations. Legal and ethical considerations are crucial in digital marketing. We covered GDPR compliance, data security, intellectual property rights, and ethical marketing practices. Upholding these principles builds trust and credibility. Future of digital marketing. Finally, we looked into the future of digital marketing, discussing emerging technologies, predictions and trends, and the importance of continuous learning and adaptation. The digital marketing landscape is always evolving, and staying informed is key to success. That's a wrap on our digital marketing course. We've covered a lot, from foundational principles to advanced strategies. Remember, digital marketing is a dynamic field. Keep learning, experimenting, and adapting to stay ahead. We hope this course has provided you with valuable insights and tools to enhance your marketing efforts. Thank you for joining us.